the savory flavors. At home today, we are going to make Anukaya or Sorakaya Chillulakura or bottle gourd masala gravy curry. I have learned this recipe from my aunt and I enjoyed the taste. Hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description.
Bottle gourd is a vegetable high on water, about 90%, and is a rich source of vitamin C, K and calcium. It helps in maintaining a healthy heart and brings down bad cholesterol levels. It is low in saturated fat, high in dietary fiber. It is the healthiest vegetable as it is rich in nutrients and low in calories. It has anti-inflammatory properties. Eating bottle gourd on a regular basis helps improve digestion and keep digestive system on a healthy track. Bottle gourd has been found to provide relief from insomnia. Bottle gourd acts as a natural sedative and helps facilitate calm sleep. Let's see the ingredients. Bottle gourd medium size, tender one. Oil for deep frying. Onion 4 to 5 cups sliced lengthwise. Ginger 1.5 inch piece. Garlic 20 cloves. Salt 3 teaspoons. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. Coriander seeds 2 tablespoons. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Red chilli powder 3 teaspoons. Tamarind pulp of small lemon sized tamarind half cup. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Bengal gram 1.5 tablespoon. Black gram 1 tablespoon. Asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. Red chilies 5. Ground nuts 1/3 cup. Curry leaves few. Coriander leaves small bunch finely chopped. Take bottle gourd on cutting board and cut the edges. Cut bottle gourd into 2.5 to 3 inches length pieces. Cut each piece into half lengthwise. Take all pieces into a plate, keeping one piece on cutting board. Take a fork. Prick outer surface of bottle gourd piece with fork like this. Turn upside down and prick the inner surface also. Turn sidewise and prick the side also. Turn other side and prick that side also. Like this, prick the whole piece. Squeeze the piece hard with hand and collect the water in a bowl. Cut this piece into 1 inch small pieces. You can cut bigger pieces as per your wish. Take the pieces in a plate. Like this, cut all pieces. This is the water collected from pieces. Keep this water aside for later use in the curry. Place a pan on stove at high flame. Add 2 tablespoons oil. Add sliced onions, ginger and garlic. Mix well and let them fry for 2 minutes. Add coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Mix well and let them fry. Fry till onions become transparent, then switch off stove and let them cool. Take oil in a pan on stove for deep frying at medium flame. Drop the bottle gourd pieces in hot oil carefully and fry them. Flip them with a perforated ladle and fry. Once they are golden brown, take them from oil on a paper napkin in a plate. Like this, fry all pieces in batches. Grind the onion mixture into a smooth paste. Place a pan on stove at high flame. Add 5 tablespoons oil. Add mustard seeds, Bengal gram, black gram, groundnuts, pieces of 5 red chilies and asafoetida. Mix well and let them fry. Once mustard seeds crackle and grams are golden brown, add curry leaves. Mix well and fry for a minute. Add grinded onion paste. Mix well. Add turmeric powder, salt and red chilli powder. Mix well and fry for a minute. Add the squeezed water from pieces which we kept aside and tamarind pulp. Mix well and fry till oil separates. Keep stirring at regular intervals. Once oil starts separating, add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. Mix well. Add fried bottle gourd pieces. Mix well. Add more water if required to adjust the consistency to boil pieces in gravy. Mix well. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Place a lid and simmer till oil separates. Take out lid once and mix well so that gravy do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Place the lid again. Once oil starts separating, take out lid and mix well. If the consistency of the gravy is like this, then switch off stove. If you want gravy to be thicker than this consistency, then fry for some more time. Place the lid. That's it. Delicious and yummy Anapakaya or Sorakaya Chillula Kura or bottle gourd masala gravy curry is ready to eat. Serve it hot with steamed rice, roti or paratha.
So, we have seen how easy it is to make Anapakaya or Sorakaya Chillula Kura or bottle gourd masala gravy curry at home. You try it once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting The Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.